Okay, my name is Thomas Björnemark. I'm founder of TBit Systems, working as a consultant for many years within software development, and I've been tinkering with mechatronics since I was small. Anyway, I got this idea that I wanted to set up a flexible security system with the most modern tools and technologies available at home, because I was not so pleased with the stuff I had. So I started with a list of requirements, of course, and basic functionality would be ARM, disarm a house, shell security, panic, mail, SMS, mobile app, web access, handle both wired and wireless sensors and actuators, and it needs to be battery backed up, and yeah. So, criteria, it needs to be a robust solution to manage power failures and communication goes down. And you must be able to monitor the wellness of the system. It must be easy to maintain and configure. I wanted to manage more than one section, 2 or more, and very flexible to add new functionalities and logic, like presence detection, out-arming, etc., etc. So, a little vision I had was to monitor movement outdoors, so the house indoors went to red alert situation. So, the starting point. I realized there was going to be a lot of functionality to build. Security system has critical functionality and must always be up and running correctly. Real-time embedded coding required. Sensors needed to be intelligent and not only stupid, sending up being triggered. I needed logic in them, so it's a decentralized solution. So I quickly ruled out proprietary home automation solutions. Open source I had a look at, and I thought that they would be quite hard to debug, these packages. So it became an IoT solution, and you can do anything, and it's more fun. Right? So here I click the magic link, and I hope. Yep, this is where I started. I had a router, and I had some sensors, wired sensors from my old system, and I had some switches and stuff. So I started pushing in my own IoT logic here. So in the center there was a Raspberry Pi running a Mosquito broker for MQTT communication. And on the top there, all my sensors were wired to an I/O board that were transferred to wireless triggering, and the leftmost module was ESP8266, contained the main security system, so it's lots and lots of code in that one, and the other two were GSM communication and presence detection. So to this I added my sensors that were also based on the ESP8266 and contained logic, very intelligent. And this is when the magic happened. I implemented Node-RED. And suddenly I could start to define flow-based logic within the Raspberry Pi and get stuff really happening. So this gave me access to cloud. I could have mail. I got a mobile app for free. And I even implemented a separate Raspberry Pi that I defined to only work with home automation stuff, like turning on lights and press the doorbell and a dog barks and switching on TVs and other stuff. And I could, if I wanted to, install OpenHub or some other home. Yeah, and to this I added, no, you won't see that here, but it's a video camera, also with the Raspberry Pi. And the nice thing about this is all modules can communicate with each other via MQTT and exchange data and call services to execute logic. And each module can access cloud servers. So there was really no limits to what I could do here. So, yeah, that then we go back, and I went down in my basement and I started working on this, doing prototyping in PCBs and writing 11,000 lines of code, believe it or not, for a simple security system. And well, with Node-RED, I got an easy interface to configure the whole system. And I could build flows for different scenarios I needed to do. I built a GUI this way. I got mail, video, and system monitoring, the lot. And this is an example of the web interface. Yeah. And it's currently running in 4 large houses in Stockholm right now. So it's with the architecture, it's easy to combine with other stuff. You could implement speaking, Amazon Echo, Google Home, IKEA Tråd-free, IFTTT, Z-Wave, whatever. And this is my last slide. So I was thinking that an IoT-enabled security system in combination with an open architecture might be the door opener for getting home automation into people's homes. And if you're interested in collaborating with me around this, please get in touch. Thanks.